Okay, let's talk Facebook advertising for lawyers. Does it even work? About a week ago, I made a video showing how I got 898 phone calls in 30 days for one of my lawyer marketing clients. And in that video, I talked about Facebook advertising for lawyers, among other things. Okay, but then a lot of people emailed me and said, hey, can you go into a little more detail about your Facebook advertising process? Because in that video, I listed my two main processes, which is brand building Facebook ads and then lead generation Facebook ads. I run them concurrently. And if you just watch the next couple minutes of this video, you're going to get the exact process that I use. So let's get into it. I'm Dustin Sanchez at DustinSanchezTV.com. I help law firms, I help attorneys with their online marketing. My lawyer marketing agency specializes in search engine optimization, Facebook ads, content marketing, YouTube marketing, lead generation for attorneys, you name it. If you want to grow your law firm really freaking fast, hit me up at DustinSanchezTV.com. Now we're going to talk about their Facebook advertisement campaign, their paid advertising. So far, what we've talked about is letting the client come find us, letting the potential client come find us, kind of like passive lead generation, search engine optimization, Google Maps, search engine optimization, blogging. That's more passive lead generation. Now we're going to talk about active lead generation. Instead of waiting for the client to come find us, we go find the client by running paid advertisements on Facebook. And typically I have, for all of my clients, two different kind of Facebook campaigns. One, I have a brand building campaign. I just run two Facebook ads that calls my client to get famous in their little city for the particular type of legal services they provide. Why is this important? Because when someone gets in a car accident or when someone needs a real estate attorney, we don't want them to go to Google and search San Antonio real estate lawyer. We want them to go to Google and search for the attorney by name, Johnson & Johnson Law Firm San Antonio. That's what this particular Facebook campaign does, okay? We have one ad that runs a video to the entire city. We have a second ad that retargets anyone who watched that video. You can see here in the last 7 days, 2,149 people watched our first video. 580 people got retargeted by the second video. Consequently, this particular ad also retargets the Facebook pixel, which we have installed on the website. So all of those people who get driven to the top of the funnel keywords that we're blogging about, they get pixeled by Facebook, and then we retarget them with a second advertisement. This allows us to constantly be in the face of our potential clients. For the next 180 days, every time they log onto the internet and they search Facebook, Instagram, or any of the websites that Facebook partners with, which is almost every website in the world, we are showing them our advertisement again. That's important because you may get someone to your website via an ad or via search engine optimization, but then life happens. You know, their child downstairs starts crying that they're hungry. They get off the internet and they go to McDonald's and they forget about you. Well, tomorrow when they log back onto the internet and they're scrolling through their Facebook, we are right in their face. Hey, remember us? Yesterday you wanted a lawyer, but life happened and you didn't call us. Here we are again, give us a call. That's how I make 900 phone calls per month happen, by constantly making you famous to your entire city. Okay, that's the first Facebook campaign. I call it the brand building plus retargeting campaign. The second one is more of a lead generation plus email follow-up. Okay, brand building, you're just making your law firm famous in your city. Lead generation, you are collecting name, email, phone number, and then email marketing follow-up with those people for the next forever until they get off of your list, okay, your email list. And you can see in the last 7 days, we've collected 8 estate planning leads for this lawyer, meaning 8 people in this lawyer's city saw that this lawyer does estate planning services. They raised their hand. They said, I want to learn more. Send me more information. Okay. In the last 7 days, 28 leads for property tax were collected, meaning in the last 7 days, 28 people in this lawyer's city said, hey, I want to know more information about how you help people with property tax. And then we got them on our email list. And then what happens? Well, some of those people got thrown into our estate planning follow-up sequence, where we're just telling them what we do for people in estate planning. It's like a 5-day follow-up sequence. They're a warm lead. So for the next 5 days, we're trying to get them to call us. Hey, give us a call. Remember, you opted into our learn more about estate planning. Well, here's our package that shows you what we do. Give us a call. Some of those people got thrown in the property tax sequence. Why? Because they saw our property tax ad. They raised their hand. Hey, I want to learn more about what you do to help people with property tax issues. And now we're in a 5-day follow-up sequence for that warm traffic. Okay, well, not all of those people became a client. Anybody who didn't become a client after that 5-day follow-up sequence, they get thrown into our weekly follow-up sequence. I call it the Thursday Seinfeld sequence, because every Thursday, just like a new sitcom, a new show comes out and they get followed up with us. Hey, remember us? You said you wanted an attorney. We're the new lawyer in your life. And we just follow up once a week, every week, forever, until this person opts out of our email list. Now you're saying, wait a minute, Dustin, does any of this even work? Does this work? Does running Facebook ads for lawyers even make clients happen? Does running email marketing lead generation campaigns even make phone calls happen for? Well, I already showed you 900 phone calls. Okay, it's not 900, it's actually 898. Okay, let's make this bigger. Happens when you work with someone who actually knows what they're doing, who actually knows how to run online marketing campaigns for attorneys. So let's see, right about here, you're going to see my free e-course, What's Working Now in Lawyer Marketing Secrets. If you want to learn more about how I help attorneys, how I make 800 phone calls, 900 phone calls per month happen for lawyers, download that ebook. It's completely free. It's an e-course. Just tells you what's working now in lawyer marketing. Okay, that's at DustinSanchezTV.com/now. NOW. DustinSanchezTV.com/now. Until then, I'm Dustin Sanchez, DustinSanchezTV.com. Peace out.